Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to download fonts and bring it to Design Space app by using your iPhone or your iPad. For this to work, you will need the app called Anyfont installed into your iPhone or your iPad. So let's get started. So type up the Dafont.com. Select the font that you'd like to download. Click Download. Click Open in Anyfont. Scroll down and search for the font you downloaded. Tap to install. Allow. Install. Next. Install. Done. Open. Close the app. Open Cricut Design Space app. Hit New Project. Click Text. Go to System. Then search the font that you've installed. And there you go. That's how you download the fonts and bring it to Design Space app by using the iPhone or your iPad. Alright you guys, if you find this video helpful, give it a like, and if you want to see more, please don't forget to click subscribe below. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.